class. Today we are going to be looking at landforms, and you will find in your lessons this week that this is just an additional resource for you to use. Okay, so standard on landforms is identify the landform, for example, an island or a mountain. Learning target on landforms is the student will investigate the landforms. Reading a map for landforms. Lydia is studying for a test tomorrow. Her test is about landforms. The land on Earth is not all the same. There are many different forms. We're going to take a look at those. Lydia sees the color blue on the map. She remembers that color blue represents bodies of water. There are many bodies of water on the map. Lydia sees oceans, lakes, and rivers. Oceans, lakes, and rivers are a landform. Oceans are the big bodies of water. There are 5 oceans on Earth. All the oceans are connected to each other. On the map, the oceans are colored blue. Lakes are smaller than oceans. They are surrounded by land. On the map, the lakes are the color blue. So the lakes are going to be the color blue. Also are the oceans. Oceans are huge bodies of water, but lakes are smaller and they're surrounded by land. So if you have not been to an ocean before, I bet you've been to some lake. Rivers are long. Rivers can connect to an ocean or lake. They can connect to other rivers too. On the map, rivers are also blue. You might have went fishing in a river or in a lake. Lydia sees the color brown on the map. She remembers that color brown represents taller landforms. Mountains are very tall landforms. Lydia sees the color green on the map. She remembers that color green represents shorter landforms. Lydia sees hills, valleys, and islands. Hills and highland areas, but they are shorter than mountains. On the map, they are the color green. So here we have a landform that is green, that's hills and highland areas. Valleys are lowland areas between 2 mountains. On the map, they are the color green. So you can see a valley here in between the 2 large mountains. That is another landform. Islands are pieces of land that are surrounded by water. There are many islands in oceans and lakes. On the map, they're colored green. So you'll be able to see them when you're looking at a map. They'll be within the blue section. But Hawaii is a state in our nation, and that is an island. Lydia sees the color yellow on the map. She remembers the color yellow represents deserts. Deserts are dry land with lots of sand. Probably not many of us have been to a desert before because they're way out west. On the map, each type of landform is a different color. The colors make it easy for us to find them on the map. Lydia is ready for her test tomorrow. So remember, we have blue is oceans, lakes, or rivers. Yellow are the deserts. Brown are the mountains. Green are the hills and the valleys, and also green is also islands. Okay, that is the end of our lesson on landforms.